Use the FOIL method to multiply these binomials. With the FOIL method, you multiply the four terms from the two binomials in a specific order. Multiply the first terms, then the outside terms, then the inside terms, then the last terms. So let's multiply these binomials. Fill in the terms here. 2x minus 3, 4x plus 2. The product of the first terms is 2 times 4x squared. The product of the outside terms is 2 times 2x. The product of the inside terms is negative 3 times 4x. And the product of the last terms is negative 3 times 2. Simplifying, we get 8x squared. This simplifies to 4x. This simplifies to negative 12x. And this becomes negative 6. Simplifying further, we get 8x squared plus 4 plus negative 12 is minus 8x, and then negative 6 becomes minus 6. So the answer is, in simplified form, is 8x squared minus 8x minus 6.